Hey, I'm Saranjeet Kaur, and welcome to AI Tech Saran, the channel where artificial intelligence meets human creativity. Here, we're on a mission to explore how the latest AI breakthroughs are revolutionizing the world of engineering and design, and how you can be a part of this exciting transformation. If you're an engineering student, a future innovator, or just someone who's curious about how technology is transforming the way we design and build, you're in exactly the right place. Whether you're just starting out or already deep into your engineering journey, there's something here for everyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. Let's be real. The world of engineering is changing fast. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a driving force that's shaking up every corner of the industry, from how we brainstorm ideas to how we bring them to life. The pace of innovation is unlike anything we've seen before, and it's only getting faster. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping the way we think, sketch, model, and build. Imagine using ChatGPT to brainstorm product ideas or generative AI to whip up hundreds of designs in minutes. With AI, you can explore creative directions you might never have considered and iterate on your concepts at lightning speed. Then, take those ideas straight into SolidWorks or AutoCAD and actually bring them to life. That's what we're all about here. We'll show you how to bridge the gap between digital concepts and real-world prototypes, making your ideas tangible and ready for testing. On this channel, I'll show you how to put AI to work for you. Get ready for hands-on tutorials, from mechanical drafting shortcuts to automation hacks that save hours of boring work. We'll dive into real examples so you can see exactly how to streamline your workflow and focus on what really matters: innovation and creativity. We'll break down step-by-step projects, like how to use AI to speed up simulations, or even redesign everyday products for smarter, more efficient solutions. You'll learn how to harness AI to solve real engineering challenges and see the impact it can have on your projects from start to finish. But it's not just about the tools, it's about creativity. AI is here to amplify your imagination, not replace it. We'll explore how you can merge traditional design thinking with cutting-edge AI tools to unlock new possibilities and push the boundaries of what's possible. I want you to see how combining AI with your own unique ideas can unlock designs you never thought possible. By blending your personal touch with the power of machine learning, you can create solutions that are not only innovative, but also deeply original and impactful. We'll run AI versus human challenges to see who comes out on top, dive into futuristic experiments, and try out wild follower-submitted ideas. You'll get to witness the creative process in action, and maybe even have your own ideas featured in upcoming episodes. And if you've ever thought, could a machine really be creative? You'll find out. We'll explore the fascinating intersection of human intuition and machine intelligence, and see just how far AI can go in the world of art, design, and engineering. Think of AI Tech Saran as your creative playground. Every video is crafted to spark ideas, boost your engineering skills, and connect you with a community of bold creators who aren't afraid to push boundaries. Here, you'll find inspiration, practical tips, and a supportive network to help you grow as an engineer and innovator. So, if you're ready to take your engineering journey to the next level, hit that subscribe button now, and let's shape the future of design together. Don't miss what's coming next. Join a movement that's redefining what it means to be an engineer in the age of AI. Subscribe for more. And welcome to the community. Your adventure into AI-driven design starts right here, and I can't wait to see what we'll create together.